Good day YouTube, Austin back with Killshot's Geek Garage, and today we're going to be taking apart the brakes on my W124 Mercedes, and we're going to be painting the valve covers, just getting prepped for whenever we do get the new engine so we can go ahead and put those on with new gaskets and get it ready to get in the car. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Alright, so one cool thing I wanted to show y'all is that this car came with fixed calipers, so it has 4 piston calipers in the front, and this bad boy has 2 piston calipers here in the back. So we're gonna go on ahead and take these off so we can get the rotors turned, sand down the brake pads, get them cleaned up and ready for whenever we put the engine in. So we're gonna go on ahead and concentrate on taking these off. Now, since they're fixed calipers, there's only 2 bolts holding it on. The front's gonna be a 19mm. The rotor's held on by a T30 bit, and then in the rear we're going to be looking at an 18mm bolt holding on the rotors back here, or holding on the brake calipers back here, with the same T30 bit holding in the rotor. So we're going to go on ahead, take these off, and then we're going to go take them to get them cleaned up later on this week.
Wish all the hashtags, likes, and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something. And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud, cause we just want attention. And we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost.
Well, since we can't get the front brake calipers off or any of the rotors off, I have them soaking in rust penetrant so that it kind of loosens them up, see what we can do so I don't damage the rotors. I really don't want to replace them. I want to be able just to turn them, slap them back on the car, but worst case scenario, we will have to. So we'll go from there once they soak, and then we will come back to this. Here are the 2 valve covers we're going to be painting today. We're going to be painting with a red engine enamel, 2-in-1 with primer. We're going to go on ahead and sand it down, try to get off some of these decals because they are stuck on these covers. Sand down the edges, kind of get everything all prepped and ready so that the paint goes on nice and smooth. When we're all done with the gaskets and everything and all the covers, we're going to be looking at more of a red and black look to it. So let's get on to it and see what the finished product comes out like. Alright, now here's a look of the finished job on the valve covers. Kind of like a little bit of an inside view on what it's going to look like now. Once it's on the engine, it'll definitely look a lot better. But with the red and black, I think these accents and this coloration is going to go great together. Well, we weren't able to get everything done that I wanted to get done. But, you know, we were able to get the valve covers painted and clear coated in that nice red color with the black trim accenting it. So we still have to deal with the rotors and the rotors and calipers in the front. Now, I don't really want to replace the rotors. They're still in really, really good condition other than the rust cut on top, which we can get that taken off. But worst case scenario, gonna have to purchase new pads and rotors. But, you know, we'll hit that bridge whenever we do. Now, they're soaking in rust penetrant right now, so we'll see if that works. If it doesn't work, such is life. That's the things about a project car. You deal with what you get. So, next time we're going to be doing the gasket on my Focus ST. We're going to be making sure that it's sealed up and everything is good to go, and that's not the only issue with it. So stick around next time, and I'll see you then.